What's up, everyone? You know when you're just minding your business, having a good time, and then, bam, you accidentally hit your leg on the corner of the coffee table. Ouch! The next day, you're stuck with a big, unsightly bruise. So, how do you get rid of bruises fast? Well, stick around and we'll explore some DIY steps and tips you can use. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Bruises, they're like uninvited guests at your party, right? When you knock into something hard, your tiny blood vessels, or capillaries, may get damaged. Imagine them like tiny underground pipes bursting, spilling blood into the surrounding tissues. And that's how you get that purplish, bluish, or blackish spot. Let's jump right in. The first method is as old as time. A cold compress. The cool temperature slows down blood flow, reducing the amount of blood that leaks into the tissues. It's as simple as wrapping some ice cubes in a cloth and applying it to the area. But remember not to put ice directly on the skin. It's like a hot dog, you always need the bun, or in this case, the cloth to protect your skin from frostbite. On the flip side, applying a warm compress after a day or two can speed up healing. Heat widens blood vessels, promoting blood flow. Think of it like a traffic jam. The wider the roads, the faster cars can move. It's as easy as soaking a cloth in warm water, wringing it out, and applying it to your bruise. A study from Nottingham Trent University, published in 2013, highlighted the effectiveness of this technique. Next, let's talk about a few natural remedies. Like that pineapple sitting on your kitchen counter? It has bromelain, an enzyme that can help bruises heal faster. The University of Maryland Medical Center published research in 2005, pointing to its effectiveness. But hey, you don't just have to eat it. You can also mash it up and apply it directly to your bruise. Remember to wash it off after about 15 minutes. And of course, the best healer is often time. So, get plenty of rest and elevate the bruised area if you can. It's like taking the elevator to the top floor. Gravity helps reduce blood flow to the area, reducing discoloration. I bet you're feeling like a bruise-fighting superhero now, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful tips. And hey, I'm curious, what DIY remedies have worked for you? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation.